In an organized effort, the administrators do not actually perform the job. They simply get the things done by the others. In other words, we can say that the administrators have some right in order to get the things done. This right is known as the authority. The concept of authority is one of the central concepts of the organizational theory. It is the binding force in organizational integration. It provides legitimacy to the organizational structure. The role of authority is in administrative organization is like the role of soul in the human body. That is why it is the key to administrative job as well. According to Mooney and Riley, authority is defined as the supreme coordinating powers. In fact, the superior subordinate relationship has no meaning with a certain form of authority. Now, what are the sources of authority in public administration? There are usually three sources of authority in the public administration. The number one is the law. This means that the authority should come from the constitution, delegated legislation, or the judicial decisions. Now, the second is the traditional authority. It says that this type of authority comes within the organizational norms, codes, or the rules and procedures. The third is the concept of delegation. This means that the conferment of the authority from a higher to the lower, and that is the concept of delegation. Now, there are two types of authority on the basis of distribution of authority. Number one is the bureau type. Now, the bureau type is a kind of authority when the administrative authority is vested only with a single individual. Now, the second is the board or the commission type, in which where the administrative authority lies within the group and not the individual person. Now, here are some definitions of the authority given by various scholars. Now, the most important definitions need to be remembered is that the Max Weber definition and the Henry Fayol's definition. These two type of definition is also known as the positional authority. Under the positional authority only comes the definitions of the Max Weber and Henry Fayol. Now, Max Weber has defined authority is the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Now, authority is classified